Hi, my name is Alesia Barrios, and today I'm going to talk about the nervous system. So, where is the nervous system located? The nervous system has two systems, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system consists of nerves and supporting cells. Now, let's talk about what are the functions of the nervous system. The nervous system functions consist of gathering information about the body's internal and external environment, processing that information, and responding to it. These functions are accomplished by the peripheral nervous system and central nervous system. The nervous system helps all the parts of the body to communicate easily with each other. It sends and receives messages using both chemical and electrical means. Moving on, how does the nervous system work and what organs are involved? The nervous system carries electrical signal messages that are called impulses. These are the messages that are sent to our brain that cause us to react. The nervous system impulses are transmitted by cells called neurons. An example of how the nervous system works is if you touch a hot pan, you automatically pull your hand back because your nerves at the same time send pain signals to your brain. The organs in the nervous system include the brain, spinal cord, sensory organs, and all the nerves that connect these organs with the rest of the body. Now we're going to talk about what are some diseases and disorders associated with the nervous system. And we're also going to talk about the treatments for them. Some include Alzheimer's disease, which affects memory, brain function, and behavior, Bell's palsy, which is paralysis or weakness of facial muscles on one side of the face, cerebral palsy, which involves muscle control, coordination, and movement, epilepsy, which is a disorder in which nerve activity in the brain is distributed, resulting in the cause of seizures, and motor neuron disease, which is a condition that causes weaknesses in the muscles, leading to paralysis. The diseases that affect the nervous system highly affect the other body systems' working functions too. What are some treatments for these diseases and disorders? For Alzheimer's, medications can be taken called glucosidase inhibitors, which help control and reduce symptoms. They are prescribed for mild to moderate Alzheimer's. For Bell's palsy, medications are also taken. These include corticosteroids and antiviral drugs. Physical therapy can be done to prevent by exercising and massaging facial muscles. However, surgery isn't recommended. It has many possible risks, including permanent hearing loss. For cerebral palsy, medications can also be taken to lessen muscle tightness. Physical, occupational, speech, language, and recreational therapies are also recommended. Surgical procedures may be needed. These include orthopedic surgery and cutting nerve fibers. For epilepsy, medicines are also taken called anti-epileptic drugs. Surgeries are also recommended to remove the small part of the brain causing the seizures. Special diets also help, and a procedure to put a small electric device inside the body helps control seizures. Lastly, for motor neuron disease, no cure exists. The only medication that is taken and helps is called riluzole. Physical therapy can also help. What are some interesting facts about the nervous system? Okay, so there are more nerve cells in the brain than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. There are about 100 billion nerve cells in the human brain and 13.5 billion in the spinal cord. The longest nerve in the body is the sciatic nerve. And one of the most important systems in the body is the nervous system.